Hello, good people. How are you doing, guys? I just have to say the truth. I've not been happy since yesterday. Yes, since yesterday morning. You know, I don't know whether this thing used to happen to you. Anytime you always think about your past, maybe you always feel like you're not crying, no, but what I've just start rolling from your eyes, unexpectedly. And someone sent a DM to me yesterday and said, Habeebat, I think I don't know you. I need to hear your story. Let me know you. A lot of people used to, refer you as a strong woman, as a strong woman, as a strong woman. Let me know you. And I just laughed. I said, I want to attention. You put me strong woman. I appreciate every one of you though. But if I tell you another story, tell it boring. You will now choose whether I'm a strong woman or not. I was raped by my two uncles back then. I was raped 2001, 2002. I was raped. I was molested by another uncle. That's for Omo Yade Naomi. Angela, that's my true life story. But we only added some things into it. Yes. Angela the movie. Yes, Angela is on YouTube. That's my true life story. We only added some things. I've gone through a lot, but I don't know. I want only to go through a lot more than me. But my own is still. I'm not happy, but I thank God I'm still here. Thank God. Mommy, Mommy, you might be watching this video, but I just want you to know right now that the reason why I don't come to your house was because of what your children had done to me. That's the reason why. Although you've begged me, you've apologized, but the deed has been done. That's why I don't want to see your children. I don't want to see that house. But thank you. I will appreciate the fact that if not because of you, the little education I had, I will not have it. But thank you so much, Mommy. God bless you. I want to use this opportunity to tell you guys that no matter what you are going through right now, it's a matter of time. You definitely overcome.